Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn about the simple past tense using the verb be. This is super important for telling stories or talking about things that happened in the past. In English, the verb be changes in the past tense to was or were. Let's break it down. Was is used with I, he, she, and it. Were is used with you, we, and they. Here are some examples. I was at the park yesterday. She was happy to see her friend. It was a sunny day. Now let's see examples with were. You were at the party last night. We were excited about the trip. They were late for the meeting. Remember, the simple past tense is used to talk about actions or situations that happened and finished in the past. Think of it like a timeline. If it happened yesterday, last week, or a year ago, you use the simple past tense. Let's look at a story to see how was and were are used. Yesterday, Anna was at the zoo. She was very excited because it was her first time seeing butterflies. Her friends were with her. They were all happy and had a great time. After the zoo, they were tired. To form negative sentences in the simple past tense with the verb be, use was not, wasn't, or were not, weren't. The choice between was and were depends on the subject of the sentence. For example, I was not at work yesterday. She was not happy with the results. We were not late for dinner. To form questions in the simple past tense with the verb be, invert the subject and the verb. This means placing was or were before the subject. For example, was I at the hospital last week? Was he at the office? Were we invited to the meeting? Were they ready for the interview? To summarize, use was with I, he, she, and it. Use were with you, we, and they. Use the simple past tense to talk about actions that are finished and happened in the past. Now it's your turn. Write a few sentences in the comments using was and were. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Keep practicing, and you'll get better every day. Bye for now.